intelligence. But He chose to call us to His sacred heart. God is not calling us to His sacred brain or sacred power, sacred might, sacred office. He called us to the sacred heart. The Little Prince, long time ago, there was a line there that says, "What is essential is invisible to the eye, for it's only with the heart that one can really see rightly." Please do not belittle the heart or matters of the heart. Everything happening in this pandemic cannot just be solved by facts, by bright ideas, programs. No, God is working too and drawing us closer to our hearts, that we become more